You're going to love the 2010 Ford Fusion. This four-door, five-passenger sedan has just over 90,000 miles. Top features include a split folding rear seat, front and rear reading lights, one-touch window functionality, a trip computer, front fog lights, and remote keyless entry. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Ford ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.